Hello, I'm Miss Daniels. Welcome to Word Guru, your vocabulary lesson for the week. Now you might be thinking, what is a guru? And I'm glad you're asking that because that's actually our vocabulary word for this week. So let's break that word down. So let's start with syllables. Okay, we want to know how many syllables are in the word guru. And I'm sure some of you have already started clapping. The word guru has 2 syllables, okay? And now let's move on to the definition. A guru is an inspirational teacher. A synonym for that would be expert. And that's going to help us out a lot with figuring out our part of speech. So our part of speech for guru is noun, because a noun is a person, place, or thing. And now let's go on to sentence. I will share my sentence with you, and if you need to, you can use that for inspiration for your sentence, but definitely come up with your own for this one. So my sentence is, the cooking guru taught me how to make healthy food. So in my sentence, it's a cooking guru. In our vocabulary lesson, I am the word guru. You could do any kind of guru. It could be a soccer guru, a fashion guru. Okay, so that can help you create your sentence. So pause, take a minute, get this written down, and then start again when you're ready. Okay, our vocabulary strategy for this week is base word. A base word is a word that can stand on its own and have a meaning. A new word can be made by adding a prefix or suffix to a base word. All right, so let's look at our activity. For our activity, we will first choose an affix to add to the base word that will make a real word. So if we look over at our example, we have our base words down the center. Notice that they're all full words and they all have their own meanings, right? Then you will place an affix next to the base word and read the new word. If you don't know, an affix is just a fancy word for prefix or suffix, okay? So if we look at these affixes, dis, im, and est, they're not full words, are they? They don't stand on their own to have meaning. And for step 3, it says write the new word on the paper, write the definition and a sentence that demonstrates the meaning of the word. So I'm looking at the base word honest first. I'm looking over at my affix choices, which are on the left, and I could plug in one by one, right? I could plug and chug and say pre-honest, unhonest, im-honest, mishonest. We even have some suffixes here. Honest-est, I know that's not a word. Ill-honest, dishonest. Ooh, I know that's a word. Now, I definitely know dishonest is a word, so I'm going to put that right in front of my base word and create dishonest. Then on my paper, what I did was I wrote the word dishonest at the top. My definition is not honest, and for my sentence, I wrote, she was being dishonest when she said she didn't eat the last piece of pizza. So that's what that ended up looking like, to write the new word, the definition, and a sentence for it. And notice I underlined my new word in the sentence. Our next base word is possible. Now I'm not going to plug and chug every word out loud for you for the sake of time, but I'm doing that in my head right now. Let's see. Ooh, so impossible is definitely a word. So I'm going to use impossible as my new word. I've written it at the top of my paper. Gotta make sure I put that right in front of that base word. So I'm not going to continue to show all of the written examples. Hopefully that was helpful for you, and if not, maybe you can rewind and get a refresher. Our base word is legal. So I'm looking over at my affix choices. Ooh, I see illegal. So I'm going to do illegal for my new word here. And once again, I would write illegal, write the definition, and write a sentence. Then we have loud. So I'm looking through my affixes and I see loudest. I'm going to put that right there. But I also see another one, louder. All right, let's do a we do. I'm going to read the base word to you. I'll give you a second to think and guess on your own what the new word's going to be, and then I will reveal it to you, okay? So our first word is behave. So I'm giving you a second to look through our affixes and select which one belongs with behave. You got it? If you need more time, you can just pause. The new word is misbehave. Write your definition and then your sentence on your paper. The next word is lunch. Now, I'm not going to give you too long on this one. I'm going to go ahead and tell you lunch actually doesn't have an affix here that works. That one does not have an affix that works, that makes a real word. Now, our next word is model. I'm going to give you a second. You've probably heard the word remodel, as in to remodel a house. And then our last word is cheap. Our base word is cheap. You're looking at the affixes. All right, so let's review. Cheaper. So you might even see cheapest on there, and that's totally fine. So this is the you do section. Now you're going to do this part completely on your own. So you're going to, in a second, pause the video, write down your new word, you're going to write down the definition, and you're going to write down the sentence for all 4 of these words. Shouldn't take too long. So pause right now and go ahead and do the you do section. Welcome back. Let's go over the answers. I'm not going to go over what you should have written down, but I will go over what the new words should be. All right. So for the base word ripe, we have ripest. For the word wonder, we have wonderful. Cook is pre-cook. You probably heard that one before. And protect, a protector is someone who protects. So hopefully you had fun with this activity. Thank you for clicking in on Word Guru, and have an awesome day.